What's up? We are in the test drive. Again, this is a 2010 Ford Fusion. And the mileage is, let's say, 210, 600, because it's only 6 miles away. So it's a 2010 Ford Fusion. This is not a perfect car by far. And I've sold quite a few of them, so they hold up pretty well. It's a good A to B car. Some C, you know what I'm saying? Would I drive it across country? I wouldn't, but would I use it as a work car, go back and forth to school car? I definitely would. So, as you see, we're driving just fine. Holding at a 60 miles an hour. The airbag light is on. The tire pressure sensor light is on. Probably needs a tire pressure sensor. You can see the RPMs are holding up well. We're doing 60. The temp is holding well. We got gas in here finally. This one has Bluetooth, media, and phones. You can answer your calls and everything works. I have it paused because I was listening to a podcast. We got cloth seats in here. The AC works, but it only works on one speed. I'm not exactly sure what that is. That's why I'm keeping it priced the way I'm keeping it priced. It blows cold and it blows hot. That's all we need, right? I don't have it on because I don't want the wind noise. And this is actually a pretty solid car, man. It may need a little bit of TLC, but I'm gonna let that reflect in the price. Right now, I currently got it priced at $3,500. The back seat, it's in good shape, man. So let y'all see. Shifts just fine. It brakes. I'm braking. You don't see the steering wheel shaking all around. I'm barely touching it. Just trying to get over here to where I take my pictures at. Look at you, huh? They gonna turn around in front of me. Lights work, turn signals work. Go ahead and turn the lights on. So I do my walk around, y'all can see. It's got fog lights. Got all the standard stuff. Power steering, you know, well, of course it's got power steering. What car don't have power steering nowadays? Well, like power windows, power seats, all that good stuff. It's a pretty solid car, man. Get over here to where I can do the quick walk around and take the pictures. Peace, family. It's Chris with McMath Autos, and today we have a 2010 Ford Fusion. It's got a little scrape right there. Needs a new hubcap right there, but it's still on. This is the passenger side. A little fade on there, that doesn't matter. This passenger seat's in pretty good shape. Vent right there, vent open. Got the AC on. That's the passenger side. Here's the back right here. As you see, it's actually pretty clean for 2010. It does have some scrapes on there. I mean, it has lived life at this point. Let's see. It's got the capless fuel thing right there. You see it's capless. It's got the E85, so you can use that other different fuel that they have out there. So that's the back passenger. Here's the driver's side. Let's go ahead and get in and take a quick look. It's got a steering wheel cover on there because the steering wheel is starting to peel a little bit. Close the door. There we go. So it has 596,000 miles. So let's just call it 210.6. Got a temp gauge, is fine. The other door is open. It has Bluetooth media and Bluetooth calling, so you can call, answer your phone, you know, all that good stuff. Let's see. There we go. There we go. No, we don't get paid for that. Okay. It's got the little opening thing up here. This thing is broken. It's broken on most of them. There we go. The little door thing is broken. It's really sitting in there. Has the lights on. AC works. Only thing with this, it only blows on one speed. It does hot, cold. It goes through the vents, everything like that. So it'll blow out the vents. It's gonna blow cold. It's gonna do all of that stuff. However, it only blows on one speed, but the temperature works. And hey, at this point, as long as I'm getting some type of AC, I'm good with it. That's just me. All right. It's got a heated mirror. You see the thing right there in the mirror? That means heated mirror. So when you turn the rear defog on, it'll heat the mirrors up. So when it's cold outside, it's missing the hubcap right here in the front. But the tires are in good shape. Headlights are working. Fog lights are working. The grills, now I got it like this because you know I buy these cars from the auction, so the grills are already been damaged. So whatever damage is on here, was like that when I got it. There we go. At some point, someone did some power steering work on here. It has the electric power steering, not the hydraulic one, but I noticed it. So it runs pretty good. What it might need, I think, at some point it's gonna need an alternator. It makes a little small alternator whine when I turn the AC on, but once you turn the AC off, you don't really hear it. So it may need an alternator soon. Well, other than that, man, Chris and McMath Autos. This is the 2010 Ford Fusion, 210, 6,000 miles. Needs a grill, needs a hubcap, may need an alternator, but oh snap, and lock myself out. There we go. May need an alternator, but it's in good shape, man. I've been driving it, just passed emissions, so it has current Georgia emissions. It's the Fusion SE model. This one is a V6 3.0. Give y'all another quick look around. I'm going a little bit faster because some people complain that my video is too long, so here we go. It also has the USB with an aux in there, another 12 volt in there, some more storage right there, 12 volt right there, infotainment right there. We went over that, and that's a glove box. So hey, this one I have listed currently at, I believe, $3,300 plus tax, tag, and title. It has clean title, current Georgia emissions. Some of y'all be shucking and jiving, man. See that right there? Clean Georgia emissions. Just passed yesterday. Yesterday was what? The 9th. So February 9th, it passed Georgia emissions. So we got clean emissions, everything, man. Reach us at McMath Autos on all social media platforms, or you can call or text me at 404-719-8355. Thanks for watching.